Hi everyone, welcome along to today's video. So, problems with the old push button flush. Two videos linked into one here. You'll see why. Enjoy. So let's just try this push button here. Why won't it go? No, it's stuck. Hang on a minute, something wrong here. Hold up. That's just a mess around, that first one. Here's the real video to fix your push button flush. Enjoy. Now, luckily with most of these push button siphons, they do twist out. There is a few number that don't, unfortunately, but the majority do twist out. Okay, so you just grab hold of the whole thing, twist it like so, and it should lift away like that. What we're going to do is reverse this washer around the other way, flip it upside down. Okay, you can get a new washer if you want to, that's no problem, but a lot of times a quick flip over will do the trick. So I'm going to whisk the washer off of there and turn it around the other way. So there's our washer off of there. Okay, that's what it looks like with it off. And I'm just going to flip it over like this. Normally that does it. If it doesn't do it after that, you know you just got to get a replacement washer. Okay, so I'm going to fit this back on now. That's it, flipped over and back on. Make sure that seat in there is clean, there's no debris in there before you go fitting it back. Okay, there mustn't be anything there at all, or the washer won't seal properly. We're just going to squeeze it back in now. To do that, just lower it in like that. You'll feel it sit in the slot. Okay, it'll be that kind of angle on in the cistern. We know it's got to come back square for the pins to line up, so just twist it and that's it, back in. Turn the water on and keep your fingers crossed. That's about it then from me. Nice, simple, easy one, that one, isn't it? Okay, all my stuff, you know where to go, usual place, Derek33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.